Social media AI pulse teaser, the financial train wreck theory. Is the AI revolution a legitimate technological leap or a spectacular multi-billion-dollar bankruptcy waiting for a match? I'm Anna, and this is your AI Unraveled Reddit Pulse. A viral thread with over 1,400 upvotes is calling out what users describe as a transparent financial train wreck. The core of the argument? OpenAI and Anthropic are reportedly burning through cash at a rate that would make a nation-state blush, all while heavily subsidized by Microsoft and Google. The community is theorizing that big tech isn't just partnering with these startups. They are waiting for them to default. The goal to feast on the remains and acquire the IP for pennies on the dollar once the venture capital tap inevitably runs dry. Reddit users are pointing to the ghost GDP, investment dollars that circulate within the tech bubble but never actually translate into real-world economic growth. Are we watching a massive IPO exit strategy where founders get rich and the public gets left holding a bag of depreciating 100 GPUs? In a market of high-speed hype, you need to hear the signal through the noise. Jamgamind is the platform that turns complex financial mandates and industry newsletters into 60-second audio intelligence. Skip the fluff, get the facts at jamgamind.com. Is the math finally catching up to the hype, or is this just doom posting from the sidelines? We're breaking down the no-profit path and the potential for a 2026 silicon sell-off in today's Daily AI News Rundown. Listen to the full episode for the complete strategic analysis.